Hello students, today we are going to start our new chapter Fiber to Fabric. We all wear clothes, but different people like to wear different clothes. So now today we will study that how the clothes are made from the fabrics. First of all, why do we wear clothes? Because the clothes protect us from strong sunlight, extreme cold or heat, and rain. Clothes also protect us from insects, and we also wear clothes to make ourselves look smart. That's why many of us want to wear clothes according to the latest fashion. People in different regions of the world wear different kinds of clothes, and the kinds of clothes mainly depends upon the climate of the place. Clothing was invented between 50,000 and 1 lakh years ago. Stitching needles made of bones and ivory about 30 years old have been discovered in Russia. Long ago, the people covered their bodies with animal skin in cold region and with bark, leaves and grass in the warmer regions. After the discovery of the stitching needle, skin of animal were used to make fitted clothes like trousers. When people learned agriculture, they began weaving plant material by hand to make clothes. In most places, they wrapped the cloth around themselves like sari, lungi, and in any other form. The type of cloth materials, the there are mainly four types like cotton, wool, silk, and synthetic. Cotton is light and reasonably smooth. Wool is fluffy. Silk is smooth and shiny. Synthetic cloth is light and smooth. Whereas jute is rough. Cotton, wool, silk, and synthetic, these are the four main materials from which clothes are made today. Now we will learn about fibers. We get fiber from two sources, natural as well as synthetic fibers. You see that the fabrics are made up of yarn, and yarns are made up of fibers. And as I told, the fibers are of two types, natural and synthetic. The natural fibers are obtained from plants and animals, and from plants we get cotton, jute, flax, and hemp, whereas from animals we get silk and wool. On the other hand, the synthetic fibers are man-made. The human beings made the synthetic fibers, and main examples are nylon and polyesters. First of all, we will study about cotton. It is a soft fiber that grows around the seeds of the cotton plant. The fruit of the cotton plant is known as cotton ball. Cotton is warm season crop requiring moderate rainfall. It needs a fertile clay soil where the black soil found in western India and southern India and the alluvial soils of northern India are suitable for the growing cotton. In India, cotton is sown between May and September in different part of the country according to the climate. The harvesting begins from October. There are certain steps to get the cloth from cotton, like ginning, spinning, weaving. Firstly, the cotton obtained from the cotton bolls, and the cotton bolls burst open after maturing. One can see the seeds covered with the cotton fiber, and the fibers are then separated from the seeds by combing. This is known as the ginning process. In spinning, the fibers are then spun into yarn by drawing out and twisting the fibers together. This process of making yarn from fiber is known as the spinning. Spinning was done traditionally in India by charkha and takli, but now we use machines. Next is weaving. Fabric is made up of two sets of yarn arranged together. So this is done by weaving. Weaving of fabric is similar to weaving two sets of strips of paper in different ways to get different pattern. This is done on looms. Cotton clothes is soft and lets air in. It also absorbs sweat. A cloth that lets air in is said to breathe. The advantages of cotton cloth is that sweat is evaporates because of the air it breathes. So that's why it cools down the body. Cotton clothes are therefore comfortable to wear, especially in hot weather. Next is wool. Wool is the fiber derived from the hair of the sheep and some other animals. Removing the wool from the sheep using special clippers is known as the shearing. After shearing, the wool is placed in bales and transported to the mills. Here it is cleaned and then combed by the machine. Knitting and weaving are different. In knitting, a single yarn is used to make a cloth or fabric, but in weaving, two sets of yarn are used. Knitting may be done by hand or by the machine. Wool is fluffy and hence retains air. Since air is a bad conductor of heat, wool has the property of retaining heat. So, clothes made from wool are worn in cold weather. We use the woolen clothes in winter season. Humans started domesticating sheep and other animals long back, and the use of wool for clothing and other fabrics dates back to some of the earliest civilizations. Today, Australia is the leading producer of the wool in the world, followed by the New Zealand and China, whereas India is among the top 10 wool producers in the world. We get wool from sheep, camel, rabbit, and the other animals like goat also. They were the special animals. So now students, you have to solve your today's worksheet. Thank you.